Hi friends, I have the Easter 3-bar bundle here. I wanted to give you a little review on these. This is the new Easter 3-bar bundle. The first scent that we have is Mandarin Zest.
Can I smell it?
Yeah.
That's actually good.
It's sweet mandarin and watery pear. Bring out sunshine and blue skies with a hint of vanilla. The second one is pink berry fluff.
Can I hold it?
You want to smell it? Smell it.
And then can I hold it?
Yeah.
That actually smells good.
This one says pink berry, whatever a pink berry is, marshmallow and vanilla bean swirl in an airy, irresistible combination.
And the other one is purple.
Yes, your favorite color. Violet spun sugar. It says tart cloudberries. What are cloudberries?
I think they're white and they taste like berries.
Okay. Tart cloudberries meet violet water and spun sugar for a celebration of whimsy. My favorite out of all three would be the Mandarin Zest. What's your favorite?
Smell this one? Can I smell
You want to
this?
smell that one?
Mine is this.
Okay.
pink one.
Abby's favorite is pink berry fluff. Mine is Mandarin Zest.
I like all of them.
It comes as a 3-bar bundle.